Hydrogen bonds are when you have a hydrogen atom that's already covalently bonded to one electronegative atom, but then it's attracted to a second electronegative atom. So I know that's kind of a long, confusing definition, so let's break it down as far as what it actually means. Okay, so starting out, we see that we have a hydrogen atom that is already bonded to something that is electronegative. So what that's telling us is that we really already have a polar covalent bond, because if it was a hydrogen connected to something strong, it would be that. So if we look at a water molecule, for example, we have that situation. Because if we look right here, you have a hydrogen atom that's covalently bonded to this oxygen, and that's our starting point. So I'm just going to draw in the electrons, because if this is polar, then it's going to be shifted over towards the oxygen. And what that means is that the oxygen end is going to be a little negative, the hydrogen is going to be a little bit positive. So with this definition, what it's saying is that you have a hydrogen right here that's a little positive. Has to be, if we meet the first part of the definition. And then the second part of it says that that hydrogen that's a little bit positive is attracted to another electronegative atom. So if we draw that, just add it on down here, what if we had another molecule? So I'm going to draw one that is like this. It doesn't have to be another water molecule. It could be, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, so if we draw this one right here, notice that this bond right here would also be a polar covalent bond. And the importance of that is that this electronegative atom is going to be a little bit negative, because this is also a polar covalent bond. And that would be a little positive as well. But the thing I want to focus on is this part here, because you have the hydrogen that's a little positive, and now we've got this nearby electronegative atom, which happens to be a little bit negative. And because of that, the two are going to be attracted to each other. Okay, so that's the hydrogen bond right there. So the hydrogen bond is when you've got this hydrogen already kind of committed to another electronegative atom and is connected to it, but it's still attracted to something else because opposite charges attract each other.